In this tutorial, we will explore how to watch Telegram videos without the need for additional tools or subscriptions. To begin, open your Telegram app and navigate to a video you've received. The good news is that Telegram allows videos to play automatically upon receipt, eliminating the need for external services or additional steps. If you'd like to save the video to your device, simply click on the three-dot menu icon next to the video and select Save to Gallery. This straightforward process allows you to view and manage videos on Telegram efficiently without any extra hassle.